Hello everyone, today I'm going to recharge my air conditioning on my 2003 Honda CRV. Right now it is blowing warm air, so I'm going to fix that using this canister, giant size Arctic freeze, and then using this meter to make sure that I recharge within the proper range. So that I don't overcharge or undercharge. So I'm going to do that. Okay, the second step is we need to start the car and then let it warm up for a few minutes, and then the next step is you have to make sure it is on max AC, and then it's on the cooler side of this knob right here, and then make sure that you have the air circulation going on, and then turn it to max airflow. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to connect this hose. We're going to connect this hose over here. You have to make sure there is an H, there's a port that's marked H, and there's a port called L. This is the port that we're going to connect to. Okay, the third step is I'm going to connect this hose, this end, the gauge end, onto this can right here. It's very simple. You just thread it in. Okay, make sure it's tight. And then the second is I'm going to hook up this quick disconnect over here. And again, as I showed earlier, this is the L port of the Honda that's marked L. I'm going to open it. Okay, and now it is. You pull this quick disconnect up, and then you press it in and let it go. And then it's connected right here. Okay, now the fourth step, we already connected the hose to the L port and to the can, and now you can see the gauge. It shows that the air condition is on the green side, on the lower end. We want it to be in between the blue and the yellow, so that is where it will tell me that it's charged. Okay, so the second step is next step is we're going to take this lid open, this cap off, and then we're going to start charging it. So we charge it by holding this down. We press it in, it charges. So it's charging right now. Keep holding it until it charges. Hold it upside down, it will charge faster. And now you will see that the gauge indicator, it shows that it's between the blue and the yellow. It means that it's fully charged. So the next would be to disconnect this hose from the port. And then we just put this cap back, and we'll go into the car and test it out. So we are back in the car to check the air temperature, and now you can see it made a big difference. It fixed the problem. I'm getting a lot of cold air. So to quickly go through all the steps we did. Okay, the first step we did was to locate the port, the low pressure port here in the car, and then second is you start the car, and then make sure that you put it at max AC and you have full air blowing, and also you have to make sure that you press the air circulation button key on, and then you're going to connect this hose to the can at one end, and then you're going to use the quick disconnect, and then you're going to go here and connect to the low end of the port to recharge your air conditioning, and then go back in, check the air conditioning if it is working good, that's pretty much it. It fixed your air conditioning problem for $30.